This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the font files and verifying access. Make sure you legally own or may embed the font, then install. TTF or OTF on your Mac or Windows system. If you use Google Fonts, download the family you need. Once done, open the Figma desktop app or enable the Figma font helper in the browser. This allows Figma to see local fonts. This step prevents missing font fallbacks later, so don't skip verifying permissions and installation. Now you'll enable and confirm the fonts inside Figma. Launch the Figma Font Helper app if you're using a browser, or simply restart the desktop app to refresh the font cache. Open your file, select the text tool, and type to reveal the font dropdown. Search for the new family name. Make sure all expected weights and italics are visible, and test characters for extended language glyphs. If a weight is missing, recheck the installed file or font family naming conventions on your system. Finish by integrating the fonts into your design workflow and resolving common issues. Create text styles to lock down typography across pages, and once set, apply them to components and frames so updates propagate. For team libraries, either upload web-compatible fonts through Figma organization settings or ensure teammates install the same local fonts. If a font does not appear, clear your OS font cache, reinstall the font file, and re-enable the Figma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.